Hey everyone, good afternoon. This is Sanya here. Today we are going to talk about our Voltas EC's 2025 range. As you all guys know that our Voltas brand is known as India's most trustable number one brand. So yes, today we'll be talking about the features that make it the most unique and a trustable brand in India. Starting with the first feature, this comes with a 5-in-1 adjustable stage. Now, what are the benefits of the 5-in-1 adjustable stage? So, as you all guys know, that in India during the summer we require the ACs at the peak, but apart from the summers, like in monsoons or the winter season, there is not requirement for the ACs that much. Or else we doesn't require the cooling, the proper cooling. So at that time, you can use our AC's 5-in-1 adjustable stage, where using your remote manually you can operate the tonnages. You can set it to 0.7, 1 ton, 1.2, and 1.5. So this will help you to just control your tonnages as per your requirement during the off season. And also there is a benefit where you can extend our 1.5 ton to 1.6. So this is given while whenever you have a get-togethers at your place, at such places when the density increases. At that time, if you feel that there is not a sufficient cooling for your place, you can also increase the tonnages. Secondly, the second most important point is this ACs comes with a antimicrobial air filtrations. Now, what are the benefits of it? So, antimicrobial air filtration, as you all know, while like in our entire room, there are n numbers of bacteria and germs which are circulating throughout our place. They might be dangerous for us or harmful. So this filters basically what this comes with special chemical coating. It's advanced filters which will help you to absorb those bacteria and give you the fresh air. The circulation will be of the fresh air as the bacteria and the dust will be absorbed onto the filtrates. Thirdly, we'll talk about the evaporator coils. Now, this evaporator coils comes with a bluefin and a goldfin coatings. So, you might be knowing that there are highly chances of the people who are living in the coastal areas, they suffer with the issues of over moisture. And this results in getting the rusting and the corrosions of their coils. So why the Voltas is given in the bluefins and the goldfin coating? Because this will prevent your coils from getting rusting, corrosion and the moisture. Because these are the hydrophilic, this doesn't let the water sit on your coils. So there are highly less chances of your coils getting rust. So fourthly, we'll be talking about the wide voltage operating range. What are those range? Generally, if you are knowing that other ECs gives you around like 140 to 265 watts fluctuation. But there are the chances for the people who are living in a remote area, the power or the voltage might go less than this or more than this. So yes, Voltas comes with a wide voltage operating range where we are giving you the limit of minimum 110 watts to maximum 285 watts. This will lessen up your chances for the PCBs getting overheated or like getting damaged because of the power fluctuations. So yes, it's really helpful for the people who are living in the remote places. The last feature is our most promotional features, that is FIS. So first, the F stands for the filter clean indicator. That means our AC after every 600 hours of usage, it will give you the indication onto the display that you'll have to clean the filters. This will basically improve the performance, efficiency and the cooling capacity of your AC. Second is the ice wash technology. Ice wash technology is designed in your AC so that whenever you feel that there is a, like the cooling is not like previous, the cooling is getting lessen up. So that time you can use it to just improve your cooling. In this technical thing, what happens exactly is that the frost is formed into your ACs for first 10 minutes, and this entire while the entire this cycle is going on, your AC will be closed, the flap will be closed, and the ice will be formed which will melt after certain times, that is after 10 minutes. So basically this will clean your coil from within and help you to improve the durability as well as the performance of the ACs. Then we have a super silent operations. Super silent operations helps if you have a babies or the old peoples at your place. This will basically lessen up the indoor unit's fans noise to around 28 decibels. So while sleeping or while operating at night, there are less chances that you'll get disturbed because of the noise of the indoor fan. Yeah, so that's what for today. Thank you.